This video explains how to connect your Matrack account to VOYOLink. Start by creating an account at VOYOLink.com. Click on My Account. Select Create Account. Fill in your account information. Click Create Account. Your VOYOLink account is now set up. To link your Matrack account to VOYOLink, click on My Profile at the top of the page. In the Credentials field, enter in your Matrack account username and password, then click Save Changes. Your Matrack connected vehicles are now listed on the My Shops page under the section titled My Vehicles and Devices. Once logged into VOYOLink, you can access fleet tutorial videos by clicking on the VOYOLink icon. Then scroll down to the bottom of the vehicle owner landing page. To learn how to connect your vehicles to a service center, please see tutorial video Matrack with VOYOLink. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@voyolink.com.